Let's do one more with long division. We're doing number 20. 8x squared plus 2x plus 19. We're starting with x squared, so we're not missing any terms. We've got x squared and x and our number, and we're dividing by 4x minus 1. What's really most important is the 4x. The negative 1 just comes along for the ride. So 4x times what gives us 8x squared? To make the 4 turn into the 8, we need 2. To make x become x squared, we need another x. Then distribute. 2x times 4x is 8x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Subtract. 8x squared minus 8x squared, they cancel. 2x minus a negative 2x is positive 4x. Bring your 19 down. Next, we are going to look at 4x times what gives us 4x. 4x times 1. 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Subtract. 19 minus a negative 1 is 20. This is your remainder. And honestly, if it's multiple choice, once you get your remainder, look at your answer choices. This is the one that it has to be. The one that has 20 over 4x minus 1 is your answer. And up here you see the 2x plus 1 in front of that. Now let's look at synthetic division number 22. Oops, I need to erase all of that. You really need to check to make sure you don't have any missing terms. So if we start with 2x to the 4th, we need to have something x to the 3rd. We don't. X squared, x, and then a number. So we've got 2x to the 4th, 0x to the 3rd, negative 22x, squared, 15x, negative 8. And we are dividing by x minus 3, so we put a positive 3 in. First step is to drop the number on the left down. Now we're going to do a series of multiplication and addition. Multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Add. Multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. Add. Negative 22 plus 18 is negative 4. Multiply. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 15 plus negative 12 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Add negative 8 plus 9 is 1. This last number is always our remainder. So if I were you, I'd circle it and mark it as the remainder. The other part, because we started with x to the 4th, we have to decrease by 1 because we divided by an x. So this is our x to the 3rd term. So our answer is 2x to the 3rd plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 3. And then you add your remainder over what you originally divided by. Let's take a look at one more synthetic division problem. Number 23. First, check to see if there's anything missing. X to the 3rd, x squared. There should be an x here. So we have 1x to the 3rd, 3x squared, 0x, negative 9. That 0 is ridiculously important. Because we're dividing by x plus 4, we put negative 4 out here. Drop your 1 straight down. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Add. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Add. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 times negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Add. This last number is your remainder. So honestly, once you get your remainder, look at your answer choices. The only one that has minus 25 on top is E. And notice that this fits 1x squared minus 1x plus 4 minus 25 over what you originally divided by, x plus 4.